Let's go. Cowboys off 3, 1.
SWTJC Cowboys fought off a second-half rally by Northwest Vista College to post an 85-78 victory on Wednesday, November 2nd. SWTJC led by 9 at the half, but NVC fought back to take a 1-point lead, 76-75, with just over 4 minutes left in the game. Timely shooting and good defense down the stretch proved to be the difference as the Cowboys upped their league record to 2-1. John Register led the Cowboys scoring attack with 17 points. Cole Martinez had 14 points, including 4 3-pointers, and Jeremiah King also had 14. Denzel Andrews also scored in double figures, notching 12 points for SWTJC. Rounding out the scoring were Ethan Lynch, 8 points, Ed Salazar and Kidron Presbury, 6 points each. The Cowboys now face 2 consecutive road games. Next Wednesday, November 9th, they will travel to Victoria and play Victoria College. On November 16th, they will be in San Antonio and take on Palo Alto College. Reporting for SWTJC, this is Carolina Chapa.